What's up, guys? This is my first video. Been wanting to do one for a while, trying to come up with, you know, something cool to break, something from my childhood when I was collecting. So I got 8 packs of 1984 Topps Football wax packs. Hoping I could pull an Elway or Marino rookie, of course, but I won't be mad if I get, some Eric Dickerson, Darryl Green, a couple other good rookies that year. So get cracking, see if we can find anything. These old wax packs with the piece of gum in them. Trying to be really careful, open them up, don't ding the corners or anything. Yeah, I just got back into the hobby this year watching, Packer Cards 87. There's the gum. It won't come off of there, I'll just leave it on for now. It's stuck to George Farmer. They're all flipped around. We got Carlos Carson, Dave Brown, Otis Anderson, I believe he's a Hall of Famer, Mark Murphy, John Jefferson, Steve Creeder, Joe Theismann, Freddie Solomon, Checklist, Dave Krieg, Raphael Septien, Dave Butts, Roger Craig, that's a rookie, Lester Hayes, set him back there too. Not bad, got a Roger Craig in the first pack. Again, trying not to nick up these corners or anything. I'll try to get the gum off later, but I'll just get that. Mark Mosley. It's Lyndon King, Donnie Shell, Andrew Franklin, Charlie Young. Here's the Marino Instant Replay. Eric Hipple, the Redskins team leaders. Zach Thomas, William Gay, Rick Upchurch, 1983 AFC Championship, Raiders. Rick Sanford, Michael Williams from the Birds, Johnny Lamb Jones. That's 2 down. I really like to pull a Marino or Elway. Get it graded. Marino's rookie was easily my favorite card when I was a kid. Kind of destroyed that pack. The gum in this one is stuck to Wesley Walker. And look at that. Eric Dickerson rookie. Right in the middle there. Centering's not too bad. The corners are pretty sharp. That's nice. Bob Brunig. Kevin House. Doug Martin. Probably not that Doug Martin. Steve Largent Instant Replay. Dwight Clark. Bengals team leaders. Tim Lewis. Hubert Oliver. Larry McCarron. Pat Ryan. Dwayne Board. Chargers team leaders, and Chip Banks. Gonna move some of these base out the way. Looks like this one might have some water damage on it. The gum is stuck to Steve Bartkowski. Try to work to get the gum off of his cards later. This guy, Pro Bowl kicker, Ali Haji Sheik, Jeff Groth, Wayne Wilson, Ron Springs, Joe Montana instant replay, Ezra Johnson, Packers team leaders, Charlie Joyner, that might be, no, not even close to the rookie. Fred Dean instant replay, R.C. Thielemann, Max Runniger, Andre Tippett, Walter Payton instant replay, Nick Lowry. You'll have to bear with me with some of the camera shakiness. I'll probably get a better setup later on. I've been really itching to get these open. I would like to get into some new stuff too. Some new hobby packs. Thought this would be pretty cool to do for my first pack opening. Look at that gum. I think this is legit from not been open since '84. Wes Chandler, yeah, that card's ruined. You can see it from the gum there. Brian Holloway. Some of these old ones, yeah, that's, the surface on that one's pretty bad. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. Gerald Small, Danny Walters, Ron Stark, Chiefs team leaders. I'm gonna try to go through these a little quicker. I don't want the video to end up too long. Ray Horton, Tony Collins, Frank Lewis, Kellen Winslow instant replay, Jerry Butler, Barney Chavis, Van McElroy, Tony Dorsett instant replay, and James Lofton. Gum stuck to Danny White. Willie Gault. Drew Pearson. He had a lot to say about the Eagles at the draft a couple years ago. Jim Covert. James Wilder. Mike Singletary. Put him back there. Frank Pollard. Joe Jacoby, NFC Championship, Redskins, Niners. Howie Long, rookie. Vernon Maxwell. Mike Eagles team leaders. Doug Marsh. LT. Instant replay. And a Charlie Brown instant replay. 2 packs to go. The gum is stuck to Vince Ferragamo. I'd be pretty upset if the gum happened to be stuck to Merino Railway. That would be bad luck. John Turner, Doug Cosby, Brad Van Pelt, Mike Pagel, Robert Brazil, Ken Anderson, instant replay, Roosevelt Leaks, that's a cool name, Barney Chavis, Van McElroy, Tony Dorsett, instant replay. That's Marino and Steve Barkowski, passing leaders. Jerry Robinson, Kurt Warner and Eric Dickerson, rushing leaders. Ray Horton. Get the rest of this base out the way. All right. Last pack. Maybe a little last pack mojo for Marino. Goes on the back. Little Chris Collinsworth. And the gun is stuck to a Ray Donaldson. Wendell Tyler, Marvin Powell, Tim Cousineau, Neil Lomax. Team leaders for the Bears. There's Kurt Warner again. Jan Stenerud, Niners team leaders. Mosi Tatupu, Mark Haynes, Fred Dean, Bob Kreider, Matt Suey, and good old Chris Collinsworth. Alright, so didn't get the Marino or the Elway, but got this Dickerson. Centering's actually pretty good. Back centering's pretty good on that too, actually. But alright guys, that does it for 1984 Topps. I'll come back with a couple more videos of some newer stuff soon. Thanks.